Hello everyone, this printer is HP Officejet 8015 or 8010 series. What I want to do is to show you how to reset factory default settings. Go to the printer main screen, select setup, the gear icon, select tools, then scroll down to restore factory defaults. Web service account information will be removed. You will need to set up web service again. Until web service is set up again, HP Instant Ink will not work properly. Do you want to continue? Then select yes. Restoring factory defaults. The printer will restart automatically, and the Wi-Fi light that was on is no longer on, is off. The printer switches itself off and is turning back on. Checking the printer, and the Wi-Fi light is now flashing. It's no longer connected to the network, so you need to reconnect the printer for you to be able to use this printer. So this is how to reset this printer to factory default setting. Thank you very much indeed.